Hello everyone, this is me Abigail. How are you? I hope you all are doing just great. So here I'm back. I know I'm too late, but there's some problem. I couldn't make my videos. So now here I'm back with the most requested video. It's my friends and some of my family members request that how I lost 10 kgs in just 4 to 5 months. Yes, it sounds so little, but it is a huge number for me to lose weight. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I just want to say that weight loss journey is not so easy. You need to change your day-to-day habits, like you need to have a healthy lifestyle. You need to make your own to-do list, like own lifestyle. You need to customize your whole day, like what you're gonna do next or next. So I am gonna give you some tips, some lots, not some, like lots of dishes options that you can include in your diet list, and lots of things you will get from this video, and I'm sure you're gonna thank me after lose your weight. In this video I'm gonna be also gonna answer your lots of queries, so I hope I'm gonna solve your queries. So first of all, I was in a very unhealthy lifestyle. Like when I was in class 12, I really don't care about my food habits. Like I really don't do workout too much, like in 12. I am a karate person. I used to do karate like 2 days in a week, but when I was in class 12, I didn't go to my karate class. I just go to like once in a week, not too much, and I really had a very bad food habit. So for this I have gained so much weight. Like I can't just imagine how it was so bad, but still I was comfortable with my weight. I really don't care about, I was just totally into my study and nothing is important for me that time. But you know, when I was in class 10th, I still had a very beautiful figure, like very beautiful skin, hair. But suddenly I got to know that I have a hormonal disbalance problem. So I was just treatment. If I was doing my treatment for this, but now I'm cured totally. But when I was in class 11th, I again, in 11th you will get lots of time to take care of yourself. You will get enough time. So I started doing diet, but at that time I really don't have whole knowledge about nutrition, you know, what I need to take. So I was doing for my exercise I used to do swimming every day. Then I was in karate, then I had a very like very good food habit, but it was not healthy. Like I was getting, like I started losing my muscles, like no, sometimes when you do, you know, you're not taking protein, fiber perfectly, you will start losing your muscles. So I feel very low and I feel very sleepy, like lazy that much. So then after when I got into 12th, I started again, had a very bad lifestyle. You know, at that time I used to have white rice 3 times in a day. Like it's been like 4 months, like for 4 to 5 years, like I couldn't remember. When I was in class 8, like then when I was in got into 9, I stopped having rice like 3 times in a day. But at a time I used to have white rice 3 times. So now let's start the whole video. That was about me. Now I'm gonna give you the whole detail. So usually I wake up in the morning like 5 to 5:30 a.m., like around 5 to 5:30 a.m., or either I have like lots of work, lots of study stuffs I need to complete. So then I wake up at like 5 a.m. So after wake up I is to have a one glass of normal water, totally normal. Then I take my medicines and like whatever some of my medicines. Then I get back to my study and I study for 1 hour. But 1 hour, then I take again one glass of water. Then I take lemon water. I don't add honey, because honey, jaggery or sugar or white sugar, brown sugar has same calories, but jaggery honey has a nutritious, like it has lots of benefits. So but still I don't take it, because I count my calories every day, like what I'm taking or not, like every day I count my calories. So I really don't take honey, but you can take it. Honey, you can take honey, is good for weight loss, but I don't take it because it's cross otherwise it cross my calorie count. So around 8:30 I make my breakfast. I really love to cook, so that's why I make my breakfast by myself. So I take one chapati. I used to love to add ghee. If it's not available, I put some very like 1 to 2 drops of oil, because I really don't like plain chapati. That's why I add like 1 or 2 drops, not more than that. Or I stop having ghee. Like now I really don't need it, because I'm like feel like I don't need it like nowadays, because I'm started taking like I build up my protein quantity, so I don't need ghee. And the second problem is desi ghee is not available at my home right now, and it's really rare to come to my home. So that's why I really, sometimes when it's available in my home, so I take ghee. It's really important, you really need to add ghee in your breakfast. Then usually I make chila, or mostly besan chila or oats chila or chapati. I love chapati, so that's why I have chosen chapati as my breakfast. So then along with this I take 500 grams of paneer or cheese, or whatever you have to called it. If paneer is not available, most of the days I take egg, only the white portion, not the yellow portion. Then whenever egg is not available at my home, I used to take a paneer 50 grams, not less than that. So then along with this I take 1 cup of green tea. And nowadays I little bit build up my breakfast, because I need to fill my stomach. That along with this I take curd, 1 banana, and lots of dry fruits. I take only 2 kajus, because kajus are the highest amount of carbohydrate has, like in generally in dry fruits. So then I really love the combination of curd and banana and dry fruits. It's so yummy. Like breakfast is one of the best meal I can say in my whole day. I always waiting for my foods, like it's like this time when it comes my breakfast time, I'll be like, oh my god, it's my breakfast time, I'm gonna have a very tasty meal. Like then I take 1 teaspoon of sauce. Sauce, yes, sauce has sugar, but it has just 1 calorie, so it's totally fine to take it. Then oh, remember one thing, roti has 100 grams. If you add ghee or a little bit of oil, so it comes around like 120 calories. That's enough. So in my lunch, then I do my workouts and my other stuff. I used to do workout like 2 hours. You don't need to do 2 hours. If you are beginner, start with 30 times, sorry, 30 minutes. Sorry for the mistakes. Remember one thing, workout is so important to lose your weight. So don't take it casually. If you would not do workout, you will feel so lazy, like so weak. Workout is something which helps you boost up your immunity, boost up your muscles. And if I love to do workout with weights, and as you are told that I am a karate player, I used to do karate. So I do karate like twice in a week. Or and the other days I love to do like cardio, Pilates, weight training. Weight training is one of my favorite. I love cardio. So then in my dinner, I love to take one chapati. It's a plain chapati. I don't add any ghee or it's a plain. Um, it's a plain chapati. Then along with this, whatever I have taken in my lunch, like fish curry and the mixed vegetables. So I do take it, but I replace this white rice with chapati. So here is end of my meal. But wait, don't go anywhere. There's lots of questions in your mind, and I'm gonna answer all these questions. So the first question is, can we lose weight without workout? Yes, you can, but you would not feel strong. You would not feel so motivated, so boosted up, so energetic. Remember one thing. So workout is really important to lose weight fast and boost up your immunity to make your body strong. So the next question is, how to look good during weight loss journey. So am I looking very tired, very am I look like a patient? No. Why? Because I'm taking enough amount of protein and fiber. So remember that protein and fiber is really important in your nutrition, in your diet. So don't skip this, don't take it casually. Next question, can we drink water during workout? Yes, you can take, but whenever doing abs workout, please try to not to drink water, because when we are doing squeezing our abs, so sometimes you could feel bloated. So for this, don't have a drink. But otherwise, when you are doing cardio, when you are doing yoga or weight training, you can take it. Next question. Oh, so remember one thing, yoga, if you want to lose weight through yoga, so power yoga is the best option for it. Next question, how many times we can cheat in meal? So you can cheat once in a week, and your cheat meal should be made at home. So remember one thing, like if you're doing cheat once in a week, so it should be made it in your home. Or if you're doing cheat like once in a month, so then you can go for burger, pizza, or fuchka, something like that. Next question, how many days we need to work out? We need to do work. So it depends. If you are too busy, you can do like 5 days, but I used to do 7 days. Sometimes I skip workout like at Sunday, but I usually do 6 days workout, or either I have time, lots of time, so I do workout also in Sunday. So you can do also 5 days workout, it's enough. Can we have brown sugar or jaggery or honey? As I told you that like jaggery, brown sugar, honey, as all have same amount of calories, so there's no difference between anything. So if you are looking for nutrition or immunity, so you can go for honey or jaggery. I really don't suggest anyone to have brown sugar. Which is best, white rice or brown rice? So according to me, not only me sorry, not on me, according to nutritionist, brown rice and white rice has same calories. Remember one thing, same calories, but there is a difference between nutrition, but there's a not huge difference. It's like very similar nutrition they have, like there's a no huge amount of difference, so you can easily have white rice if you want to. I don't like brown rice at all. Brown rice is so weird. White rice is good. How many hours we need to work out? If you are a beginner, so in your beginning days you can do like 30 minutes workout, but you have to increase it. Then how to do healthy cheat? So try to have something which has protein. Like if you're having a chicken 65, chicken has a huge amount of protein, so you can go for the like chicken 65, or noodles which has chicken. If you would add some chickens in it, so it would taste so yummy, and it also has protein, so you can go for this kind of dish, and it should be made in home. So here is the whole diet plan and the workout plan, so go for it, do it, and let me know how much you progress. Remember one thing, progress is progress, no matter how small it is. So, and the last thing is, please do work out, please, please, because it is something which helps to boost up your body immunity, and nowadays immunity is really important to boost up your immunity, so go for it. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments section how much you progress, or if you wanted me to make a workout video, so let me know in the comment section. Or if you wanted me to make a part 2 spoken English video, so for that you have to subscribe to my channel and like the last spoken English video. And the next coming video gonna be very interesting, like super interesting, so stay tuned for that.